I went to Costco a couple weeks ago and saw these and bought a 2-pack of Bug Zappers. I've been a fan of Bug Zappers forever. We bought some for our calf ranch in Chino, California, back in 1973, 1974, and they were great for killing flies in the daytime and mosquitoes at night. Back then, the lights were like a light blue color was for mosquitoes and a dark blue was for flies. And flies lay out in the day and mosquitoes at night, so it worked pretty good. I haven't been able to find any of those in a while, but saw these, and it's PIC Pest-Free Living Insect Killer Torch 2-pack. And I bought a box. Went home, set it up, and when I was setting it up at night, I had all kinds of critters and insects biting at me, landing on my legs, everything else. After I set them up, I went out there the next night. Everything had a full charge, and nothing bothered me. So currently I have 7 of these around the property. I have 6 on the kennels and 1 near the front porch. I don't have any insects flying around at night except for 1 inside here in the garage while I'm filming this. But these things work pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 1 in our front yard. It's twilight, usually about night this time. Mosquitoes will be dive bombing you, wanting to take you out, and you have a bazillion bugs flying around this light. But around the kennels, we don't have that because of these tiki torches that are bug zappers. All the mosquitoes and flying insects that fly at night are drawn to these things. They get zapped and they're done. Now we leave the back porch light off at night just so that the critters, the flying insects, are head to these things. There we go. Someone's playing with the food dish over there. And then that's a white light, LED light over there. There's usually all kinds of bugs gathering around that, but there are none, because all the flying insects are getting killed as they show up on the property. So these things are pretty good.